Recorded. Good morning, students of class 5. Everyone, good morning. Very good morning to everyone. And let us today, my name is Rajesh, and I'm going to teach you a new chapter from English Marigold, NCRT class 5, NCRT Marigold book, chapter number 9. It is a poem. What? It's a poem. The Lazy Frog. The lazy frog. I hope you know what is the meaning of lazy. Lazy means a person who doesn't want to work. A person who don't want to work. Yes, that is called lazy. And what do you mean by frog? Frog is a mammal. It's a terrestrial animal which live both on water and land. And I hope in Hindi you call it mendas. Yes, fine. Now let us begin with the chapter, the lazy frog. First, before that, I would like to show you some of the pictorial studies. Can you see? Here, she is a mother frog. She is a mother frog. And what is this? Who is this fellow? This fellow, he is the lazy frog. This is the one who is sleeping over there. He is the one who is sleeping quietly, lazy frog. Now let me read out this. Let me read out the sentences which is written here. Students, on a school day, you are busy studying, playing, and chatting with your friends. Yes, on a school days. Means nowadays you are not coming to school, you are at home due to this coronavirus and pandemic situations of coronavirus. You are at home, you are not able to come to school. But suppose when you were in class 4, yeah, whenever you come to school, you were having fun with your friends, chatting, playing, studying, right? Okay. When you have a holiday from school, what do you do? When you have a holiday from school, means if the school is off, means you don't have to go to school on that day. What would you do at home? What you are doing at home? What are the things you do at home? Okay, would you behave like a little like a? Would you behave a little like the frog in the following point? Do you behave like the frog? What I want to say, students, look here. Nowadays, you are at home, lockdown. In this lockdown is going on, fine, and you are at home now. So, what do you do at home? You are not coming to school. You are not accompanying with your friends. You don't have. You are not getting the chance to have a chat or play with your friends. And during this lockdown period, you are at home. And how do you behave at home? Means it's a holiday period. You are at home. What are the things you do at home? Do you behave like this lazy frog? What do you do at home? Do you behave like the lazy frog here in this point? Means what I want to say is, beta, आप जब school आते थे, whenever you were coming to school, you are having playing, studying, chatting with your friends. Yes, but nowadays lockdown is going on, and you are not able to come to school. Then what are you doing at home? You are having online classes. Some of them they are playing PUBG and all those things, hiding their videos. So don't play games and try to study. But my question is that जब कभी छुट्टी होती थी तो आप घर पे क्या करते थे? क्या इस लेजी फ्रॉग की तरह आप भी बिहेव करते थे? डू यू बिहेव लाइक इस मतलब इसकी आदत तो जैसी लेजी फ्रॉग की आदत है, क्या वैसी आपकी भी आदत होती है छुट्टियों के दिन में? मीन्स अभी छुट्टी चल रहा है, लॉकडाउन है, यू आर एट होम. What do you do at home? Do you feel lazy, or do you get up late in the morning? Many of you, बहुत लोग हैं, बहुत लोगों को lazy. Yeah, many of you are feeling lazy. No, don't show this. No. You are feeling lazy and you get up very late. I can see. See, Vaishnavi, she got up at 8 o'clock today. Yes. And even Arya also, Arya Tripathi also. She wake up at around 7:30, I think. Yeah. Many of them. Not only Ayush. Show me at what time did you get up today? Show me. Write down in a page and show me at what time did you wake up today. कितने बजे उठे हो? पेज पे लिख के दिखाओ ना. Means you are behaving like the lazy frog. Yes, you are behaving like the lazy frog. Okay, fine. Let us see. Okay, students. But in this poem, we are going to study about a frog who is very lazy. In this poem, a lazy frog. In this poem, a lazy frog, we are going to study about a frog whose name is Fred. We are going to study about a lazy frog whose name is Fred, and he is very lazy. Now let me read out the poem. Okay, now let us read the poem. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt with the pictorial representation and explanation? इस first page में कोई मैंने बस इसको explain किया है. I have explained this. What is written in this means on a school day. On a school day, you come to school and you have fun with your friends. You play. You play, study, and have a chatting with your friends. But whenever you have a holiday, means when the school is off, you're not coming to school. It's a holiday. Then what you do at home? Do you behave like the lazy frog? No, no one is behaving like the lazy frog, because I know the students, my students of class 5, they are very good. They are not lazy. Yeah, some of them, they are very lazy. Namya also, she is also there. She is also very lazy. She always behave like a lazy frog. Namya, right now? If it is right, show me your thumb. Namya, if it is right, show me your thumb. Sir, क्या आप सही बोल रहे हो? Come on, show me. I ऊपर करो. Yeah, see. I know. She is behaving like. Yes, yes. Okay, fine. So many of you are there. Yeah. Some Ayush Pandey, you are also very lazy. You are behaving like a lazy frog. But what I want to say, one more thing is that my question is that students, nowadays lockdown is going on and you are at home. What do you do at home? Do you feel lazy? Do you feel get up late in the morning? Do you obey your parents? Yes. Do you? Yeah, you obey your parents. You help your parents. Okay. Now in this poem, in this lazy frog, we are going to study about a frog whose name is Fred. इस कविता में हम एक मेंढक के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. Who is very lazy, who is very बहुत आलसी, मतलब वो काम नहीं करना चाहता, बहुत आलसी वाला व्यक्ति है. Okay ना? Fine. Not व्यक्ति, it's a animal, right? Fred. Let me read out. Fred is very lazy frog. Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. Upon a log. He always manages to surf doing a single stroke of work. His poor old mother calls in vain. Come in and help. He does not bother to move 2 inches, much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. He lays there in a silent heap and stays conveniently asleep. If a lady frog hopped past, you would think he would get up at last to bow and help her on her way. But no, I am ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye. Anonymous. Okay, fine, students. Let me read out the poem once again. Listen carefully. If you are having the book, मैं कैसे pronounce कर रहा हूँ, how I am pronouncing the word. Look at the book, please. Yesterday I have given you to read the poem. Yes. Am I have given you to read the poem yesterday? मैंने poem भेजा था आपको read करने के लिए, meaning निकालने के लिए, to try to find the meaning. Am I have given you? Yes. Okay, fine. Now let me read out the poem again. I will explain you. Okay, I will explain you. मैं explain करूँगा बेटा. But before that, let us read properly. You can follow me or you also can read along with me. आप मेरे साथ साथ पढ़ भी सकते हो घर पे बैठे बैठे. No problem. Now let us start. 1, 2, 3. Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. He always manages to stirk doing a single stroke of work. His poor old mother calls in vain. Come in and help. He does not bother to move 2 inches, much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. He lays there in a silent heap and stays conveniently asleep. If a lady frog hops past, you would think he would get up at last to bow and help her on her way. But no, I am ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye. Okay, fine. Now let us come to the explanation. Come to the explanation. Here the poet, the first, not in the poem, apart from the poem, there are 4 lines. The poet is asking you, कवि आपसे ये पूछ रहा है कि students, when you are when in schooling days, in school life days, whenever you come to school, you study, you read your book, you play with your friends, and have chatting. But whenever you have a holiday, what would you do at home? Do you behave like this lady frog? अब हम इसी पोएम को पढ़ने के बाद ये बताएंगे कि क्या हाँ हम इस फ्रॉक लेजी फ्रॉक के तरह बिहेव करते हैं छुट्टियों में या नहीं. जस्ट अ सेकंड स्टूडेंट्स, वेट फॉर अ मिनट, प्लीज स्विच ऑन द लाइट. व्हाट इज दिस? Sorry, yeah, come back. So the poet is asking you one question, but before reading poem का heading पढ़ के तो हमें पता चल जाता है कि हाँ lazy frog. Of course not. अगर कभी मुझसे पूछेगा कि do you behave like a lazy frog, what you will say? No. Yes, I will say no. I do not behave like a lazy frog. Means during the nowadays lockdown is going on. You are at home. Huh? What do you do at home? You get up late. माइट भी हो सकता है कि यार आराम से सोए, 8 बजे क्लास है, ओके लेट मी स्लीप, नो प्रॉब्लम. बस नहीं आएगी, द बस विल नॉट कम, सो आई कैन स्लीप टिल लेट 8 o'clock. या फाइन, हो सकता है बहुत लोग कर रहे होंगे. मम्मी उठा रही होगी फिर भी आई डोंट थिंक यू वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. या यू स्लीप लेट एट नाइट, रात को देर से सोते हो, सुबह आराम से उठते हो, फाइन. या नॉट ओनली दैट, डू यू फील लेजी? Yes, whole day. If you don't have a class, example, take an example of Saturday and Sunday. क्लास नहीं रहता है, बोर हो जाते हैं, मम्मी बोर हो गए, टीवी देखेंगे, फाइन. यस, so do you feel lazy? Means you are behaving like a lazy frog. अगर संडे मैम मम्मी आई एम गेटिंग बोर्ड, व्हाट शैल आई डू, मे आई वॉच टीवी, then means you are behaving like a lazy frog. आप झूठ नहीं बोल सकते हो. So here in this poem, the poet is showing the difference, or he is comparing the frog with a lazy man. मतलब वो फ्रॉक के सहारे लेजी लोगों के बारे में बताना चाह रहे हैं कि वो कैसे बिहेव करते हैं. नाउ लेट अस सी फर्स्ट 2 लाइन. Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. Means Fred is a name. The name of the frog is Fred. The name of the frog is Fred, who is very lazy. Who is very lazy. What do you mean by lazy? Lazy means someone who doesn't want to do anything. A person or someone who don't want to work at all. Who don't want to work at all. Lazy. Who don't want to do anything. Who don't want to eat food with his own hand. अपने हाथ से भी खाना नहीं चाहता है. मम्मी, I am opening my mouth. Please put the spoon in my mouth. Such type of person we may call a lazy person. Right? Clear? The first 2 lines. No, one more thing. Yeah, some who lay lazily on a trunk, means on a log. What do you mean by log? Log means what? What do you mean by log? Let me write down. Trunk of a tree which is cut. Trunk of a tree which is cut. Which is cut. Log means लकड़ी के लट्ठे पे पूरे दिन लेटा हुआ रहता था. Got it? So the first 2 lines, it is that the name of the frog is Fred, and who is very lazy, who don't want to do any work, and whole day on a log. He used to lay on a log and waste his time. Waste his time. Manages to what? Manages not to do anything. He escaped from all the work. Now let's see. Means पहले 2 लाइन में ये है बेटा कि देख फ्रेड एक मेंढक का नाम है. फ्रेड जो एक मेंढक का नाम है वो बड़ा आलसी है. ही इज वेरी लेजी एंड ही डोंट वांट टू डू. ही ऑल डे व्हाट ही ले मींस सोया रहता है. किस पे? लॉग पे. लॉग मींस ट्रंक ऑफ अ ट्री व्हिच इज बीन कट. व्हिच इज बीन कट. कटे हुए लकड़ी मतलब ट्रंक, टहनी, ट्रंक. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बेटा? लट्ठा देखिए हो ना, लट्ठा, सिल्ली, या उस पे लेटा हुआ रहेगा. नाउ लेट अस सी. He always manages to stick doing a single stroke of work. He manages not to do something. He manages he always manages to stick. Stick means to not to do something which has to be done. Means वो अपना काम तक नहीं करता था. He never used to do his own work. What do you mean by shirk here? You can see what do you mean by shirk. Shirk means to not do something you should do. ऐसा कार्य जो उसे करना चाहिए वो भी वो नहीं करता है. Okay, fine. uh, he always manages to sit, he manages to not to do something, the work which has to be done by him. Yes. And he always manages not, he always manages to escape, run away from what? Work. वो हमेशा ये मैनेज करता था कि वो काम से दूर भागा रहे, हर काम को टालता था. He never means lazy means what? Lazy means a person who doesn't want to do any work. Fred is like that. What? He manages to sit. Sit means वो उसका अपना काम. He doesn't want to do his own work and he manages to escape from every work. And he was a very lazy frog. Fine. Now let us see. His poor old mother calls in vain. Come in and help. It doesn't bother to move 2 inches. His mother, he has a mother. The lazy frog, Fred, has a mother. Whenever she called his son, Fred, come and help me. But it is all in vain. What do you mean by vain? Vain means uselessly. Vain means uselessly. He never comes and help to her mother. He never comes and help to her mother. Whenever she calls, it all goes in vain. Vain means uselessly. Uselessly. When व्यर्थ जाता था बेटा. It all gets, yeah, van means uselessly. Uselessly means his mother, Fred mother used to call, Fred, come and help me, but all in vain. All in vain means she used to call uselessly. वो बुलाती थी परंतु वो व्यर्थ जाता था. The Fred never used to listen her mother and he never comes and helps. And all in vain, because she knows that her mother, his mother know that her mother, the Fred mother knows that it is all vain because Fred is not going to come and help her. Do you understand, student? क्या मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Fred कैसा है? Show me your thumb, Ibris. Are you able to understand? Okay, fine, thank you. Yes. Much preferring to be extremely hard of this hearing. Hard of hearing means deaf. Hard of hearing का मतलब होता है बहरा, deaf. Fred is so lazy. Fred is so lazy that he does not want to move even 2 inches. He does not want to move even 2 inches. वो इतना lazy है कि वो 2 इंच तक move, means he doesn't want to move even 2 inches. Fine? Yes. Instead, he preferred to be hard of hearing. Instead, मतलब कोई बुलाता रहे, no problem. It doesn't bother for him. Who is calling? Whether his mother is calling or his any other lady frog or anyone is calling, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. उसके पापा बुला रहे हो, मम्मी बुला रही है, no problem. He is very lazy and he manages to shirk his work. He never listened to his mother. His mother always used to call her that come and call him and ask him to help her in her work, but he manages to take the work. He's very lazy and he doesn't want to move even 2 inches. Instead, वो सुनकर भी अनसुना कर देता है. Hard of hearing. He pretend that he is unable to hear her mother call. Pretending का मतलब क्या होता है? ढोंग करना. वो ढोंग करता था कि उसे सुनाई नहीं दिया. ऐसा ढोंग करता था जैसे वो उसे सुनाई ना दे रहा हो. Okay, now let us see again. He pretends to be deaf as he has not listened anything. वो तो ऐसे pretend करता था जैसे उसे कुछ सुनाई ना दिया हो. Lazy person, yeah. Sleeping, her mother is calling Fred, but वो pretend करता था that he is not listening. He has not listened anything. Okay, now let us see. He lies there in a silent heap. Heap means collection. Look here once again, students. Heap. What do you mean by heap? Heap means collection of anything. Collection of anything. Collection of substance or anything or things. Collection of things. ढेर बेटा. heap का मतलब क्या होता है? ढेर. कचड़े का ढेर. समूह, ग्रुप. heap. वो एक बड़े से ढेर की तरह पड़ा रहता था एकदम. He lies Deer in a silent heap. Heap means ढेर क्या होता है बेटा? ढेर कहीं पे रखा हुआ है, गेहूं ढेर सारा रखा हुआ है, ढेर सारे जानवर एक साथ है, ग्रुप कलेक्शन, उसको हम हीप बोलते हैं। वो एक हीप, एक शांत ढेर की तरह एक जगह पड़ा रहता था। जैसे घर में ले लो बेटा, एक बक्सा ले लिया हमने बड़ा सा, अगर किसी कोने में रख देंगे तो वो ऐसे ही पड़ा रहेगा। लाइक वाइज हम गेहूं या एक ढेर की तरह, हीप लाइक अ कलेक्शन, अ वेरी बिग कलेक्शन, स्टोमक, टेकिंग अ स्टोमक ऑफ हीप स्टोमक, and he is sleeping. He is laying silently like a heap and stay conveniently asleep. Or din pura din, all day he was sleeping like a silent heap. He never listened to her mother. Now let us think. If a lady frog, next paragraph, or change up. If a lady frog hops by, hop means jump. Hop means jump. What? How do frogs walk? The frogs jump from one place to another. They used to jump. Yes, jump. वो चलते कैसे हैं? Jump करके, hop. If a lady frog hop past, you would think he would get up at last to bow and help her on her way. Okay, not her mother, not her mother. Poor old mother. Whenever she used to call her own what son, he doesn't listen to her call. Now the poet is asking here. The poet is asking you, saying that if a lady frog, if a lady, कोई लड़की, कोई lady अगर उसके पास से गुजरती है, if a lady frog hop past, you would think, क्या आपको लगता है, do you think that Fred will wake up and bow her head, उसके सामने respect से अपना सर झुकाएगा, he will bow his head with in respect and ask, help her. This is a question. यहाँ कवि आपसे प्रश्न पूछ रहा है. If a lady frog hop past, so you would think he would get up and at last, he will get up at last to bow and help her. Here the poet is asking you a question that, what do you think, children? Do you think if a lady frog, not her mother, उसकी माँ नहीं, अब कोई लड़की आ रही है उस मेंढक के सामने, a lady frog, a lady frog, हो सकता है लड़की को देख के वो फट से खड़ा हो जाए. So here the poet is asking you a question that, do you think, student, that if a lady frog hop past, then you think that the lazy Fred will wake up and bow his head and help her. Next. But I am ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, she does not open up one eye. Here, the poet is saying, I am ashamed. मुझे शर्म आती है ये बात बताते हुए that even if a lady frog comes nearby him, अगर कोई lady frog, कोई लड़की भी उसके सामने से गुजरती है, then he never used to open even his one eye. Means such type of person is lady frog. What type of, sorry, Fred. What type of a person is Fred? Fred is a very lazy frog. No, he doesn't bother who is calling, who is not calling. The poet is saying that, students, I feel ashamed. I feel ashamed to say that that Fred does not even open up his one eye to help her or to help her mother. But it doesn't matter whether a lady frog comes nearby, hops nearby, or her mother, his mother comes nearby. Doesn't matter. कोई भी आ जाए, Fred never wakes up, bow his head and help anyone. So he is a very lazy frog. Once again, I am repeating from the beginning. Fred is a very lazy frog. The name of the frog is Fred. Okay, and who is very lazy. Lazy in the sense means a person who doesn't want to do anything, any work. That is called lazy. Fine. Who lay lazily on a trunk of a tree. On a trunk of a tree that has been cut. On a trunk of a tree that has been cut. Okay, he manages not to do any work. He manages to shirk his work. He manages what? Not to do, or he manages to escape from work. Next, the Fred has what? Her mother call her. Her mother call her, Fred, come and help me. But it is all in vain, uselessly. She knows that मैं जो बुला रहा हूँ, मैं उसे बुला रही हूँ, ये व्यर्थ है. She knows that even if I call him, he will not come. It is all in van. And the Fred has a mother who is very old and poor. But next, he doesn't want to move even 2 inches. Fred is so lazy. Fred is so lazy that he doesn't want to move even 2 inches. Whenever her mother called him, he pretend bahana karta tha ki that he hasn't listened to any of the what? He hasn't listened the calls of her mother. वो ऐसा pretend करता था उसे सुनाई ना दिया हो. Fine. Now, at last, the poet is asking the student of class 5 a question. Student, do you think that if a lady frog hops by, means उसके पास से अगर lady frog कोई गुजरती है, then do you think Fred will wake up, bow his head, अपना सर झुकाएगा और उसका help करना शुरू करेगा? Do you think? Poet is asking. The poet is asking that, do you think, student, if a lady frog hops past Fred, then will Fred wake up, bow his head, and help that lady? Again, answer भी कभी ही दे रहा है. The poet is answering. But I am ashamed to say, students of class 5, that even no, he doesn't bother whether a lady frog hops by or his mother hops by. Okay, it doesn't bother for him. He doesn't open even his one eye to see who is passing near. अब मेरे पास से कौन गुजर रहा है वो अपनी एक आंख खोलकर देखता तक नहीं था. He was such a lazy person. So now the question, जो पहला question, the first question, the poet asked you, students, nowadays lockdown is going on, you are at home, do you feel lazy or do you behave like this lazy frog? कोई आंसर नहीं दे रहा है. अरे हाथ हिला के बोलो ना, yes sir, I behave like a lazy frog, or you tell me no. Come on, show me your finger. Show a signal. Yeah, Arya signal कर रही है. What about Namya? You behave like a lazy frog. Still you are sitting like a lazy frog. Come on. Do you behave like a lazy frog? No. Then show me your signal that no sir, I don't behave like a lazy frog. Many of the students, they are giving the signal that they do not behave like a lazy frog. Come on. Aradhya, do you behave like a lazy frog? Show me with a signal that no sir or yes sir. Aradhya Gupta? No. Okay, fine. What about Abhiman Singh? Do you behave like a lazy frog? Ayush Kumar Singh? What about Anushka Yadav? Do you behave like? Okay, no. Very good. Next. Shuryanshu Rajgar, do you behave like a lazy frog? Holidays? No. Why? You are very smart, na? Yeah, all are very smart. Fine. Anyone? Achal, do you behave like a lazy frog? Or do you want to behave? No. Okay. Kaushal Yadav, what about you? Shweta Chaube, do you behave like a lazy frog? Pratyaksha Raj Rai, do you behave like a lazy frog? No, sir. I know students. No one wants to behave like a lazy. Suryanshu Singh, do you behave like a lazy frog? Show me your signal. Beta आवाज नहीं आ रही है? You can show me a sign. Yes, sir. I behave like a lazy frog. Or you can show me a signal with your hand. No, sir. Or shake your head. No, sir. Fine. Okay, this was your question. Sorry, the full explanation of the poem. Tomorrow I will explain the poem and we will look after the new words. कुछ new words इसमें हैं. Examples. We will look over that. Examples को भी हम देखेंगे कल. Okay ना? And we will try to do the exercises also. Fine, students. Now, is there any problem in this poem? Lazy frog. समझ में आया?